So before we do control, let's learn how to input chars from the keyboard. So for this, we're going to use the read method from system.in library. So this method reads the next byte of data from the input stream. So it's important to know that this byte is returned as an integer. So when we call this function, it will wait until the user presses a key and then presses enter. It then returns the character as an integer. So here's an example. We can create a char ch, then we can use system.in.read, and when this function is executed, it will wait for user to type a character and hit enter. Then we'll take the character as an integer value, and then remember this from last lecture, it will typecast it to char so it can fit in. So then we can, if you want, we can print it or do any other operations with that. So let's do an example with this. So I'm going to, let's close them first. Right. So I'm going to save this as, and again, it's important that I'm in the right directory. So I'm going to save this as, you could call it read demo.java. Okay, so what this will do is it will, let's create the class read demo main. Right. So it's also one more thing that we have to make sure we do this. We have to say throws java.io exception. So we haven't learned about exceptions, but when it comes, we'll know what that means. Exception. Okay, looks correct. All right, so let's create our character variable ch, and then we call system. Let's do p and tab. So first thing we want to do is we want to prompt the user to say press a key followed by enter. Okay, so it's a prompt to the user, so user knows why the program is waiting. So then we can say ch is set to char and system.in.read. Okay, now what do I want to do with this? I can print this out. I can say your key is space and ch. Okay, let's run this and then see what happens. So here I'm going to do an ls to see that I have read demo.java here. Then I'm going to use my Java C read demo.java. Looks good. So Java read demo. So program is now printed, press a key followed by enter, and it's waiting for me. So then I can say capital A, hit enter. Now your key is A. So I can rerun this and then enter B. It will tell me your key is B. Can final rerun, say I wanna enter 5. Okay. Notice one thing though, this only reads one character. So if I do type 2 characters, let's say A and B, it will only read the first one.